Hey everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. Welcome everybody to my affordable summer wig series. In this series, I am going to be sharing some of my picks for the summer of 2022 of affordable units, $40 and less to be exact, so that you too can get out there and obtain you a unit or two or three for under $40. Slaying with a stylish look does not have to cost you an arm and a leg. So go ahead and grab yourself a snack and a beverage. Make sure you blow dry on that like button as we jump into this review. Hey everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. I thank you guys for taking a moment to click on this video and welcome to episode 1 of the Affordable Wigs for the Summer series. This is going to be a series that I'm putting together. I plan to introduce a few of my favorite synthetic picks for affordability in everyday wear. Most of the units that I'll be showcasing in this series are going to be $40 and less. I will definitely be sure to link the units in the description box of these videos. And I will be coming on and talking to you all a little bit about the units, the ease of application and installation, whether or not they require plucking and tweezing, and just the different steps that I use as a woman of a particular age, 40 plus, being able to still be stylish and chic, but yet on a budget. Let's face it, no one wants to pay $500 to $600 for bundles or for human hair units when you don't necessarily have to. I mean, these companies have stepped up their game with the synthetic wigs. So, again, I want to thank you all for taking a moment to click on this video. If you did not remember to do so on your way coming in, please don't forget to blow dry on the like button for me so that my content is pushed and shared on the platform. And if you have the ability to do so, please share the video out. Sharing is caring. So please share the video. You can share me on your community tab or your other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, wherever. Share me out. So yeah, in today's video, I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the Outre HD lace front wig LEDINA. Now I know some people pronounce it Outre, so it's all about whatever your preference is, Outre, Outre. But the wig is going to be LEDINA. Now, I do have it in the color FF-DR Black Cherry. Now, the FF is for face framing. The DR is for dark root. And of course, the Black Cherry is going to be for the burgundy hint of color that we have in the unit. So Bear with me, guys. I had to literally go back and do a voiceover on the video because I realized after I had recorded this video, my mic was turned off. So I apologize if my voiceover is not quite in sync with the video before you, but rest assured, I was not about to re-record this video. So, again, today's unit is going to be the Outre lace front wig. It is their HD transparent lace, LEDINA. It is 10 inches. It is a wavy bob unit with a middle part. And for those of you who have been rocking with me for a minute, you all know I loves me a good old bob, and I definitely love me a middle part. So right off the bat, I already knew that I was going to love this unit. Now, what I was a little bit skeptical about was the color choice, because I did want the color that was on the stock card, but of course that particular color was sold out. So as you can see from the stock card, this particular unit does come in a very wide variety of colors. So you can definitely go with a 1B, which is going to be your natural off black, or you can go with one of the beautiful face framing options, which is what I opted for. It's summertime after all. Why not? That's usually when I try a hint of color. So this is their HD transparent lace, but I'll be honest with you guys, when I got this out of the package, I was like, okay, this lace is looking a little bit on the light side. So yeah, I already recognize that, I'm going to have to go back in with my Maybelline Press Me powder. I'm sorry, I said press me. My Maybelline Fit Me press powder, and kind of, do a little hack to tint the lace, make it blend a little bit more closer to my natural scalp color. And then also trim the lace. It does also come with natural baby hairs if you're into that. But for me, I didn't do too much with the baby hairs. I'm going to just probably let them rock as is. Now, when we take the unit out of the package, it is a standard mesh wig cap. You have your 2 adjustable straps in the back at the nape area. And then, of course, there are 2 combs at the top, on the sides in the temple area, and then 1 comb in the back in the nape area as well. So you got a total of 3 combs if you use the combs. I personally don't use the combs. They can be damaging on the fine areas around your edges as well as the nape area. So I just don't use them. I do wear a wig grip cap to protect my edges. So I really don't find a need to use the combs, but to each his own. They do have combs in there. So yeah, this is a very well ventilated traditional mesh cap wig. So at this time, the color is beautiful. I must say I'm a bit surprised because, like I said, I wasn't thinking I would like the color, but what the heck. This unit was actually $37.99, so just under $40, and that's only because it's one of their newer units. Typically, when the units come out like that, I wait for them to go on sale, but because, like I said, I love a middle part bob, I did go ahead and pick it up. So, again, this is LEDINA. It is a standard 10-inch HD transparent lace middle part bob. So what I'm going to do at this time, guys, is I am going to go ahead, step off a camera for a little while here, trim the lace off, make sure I get in there good and tint the lace with my Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder Compact. And I I don't know. I'll probably just kind of finger comb it because it is wavy. I don't want it to get frizzy or big. So I'm going to just go ahead and maybe rub some serum on it just to give it a little shine and kind of pull out any hairs that may be shed from me trimming off the lace. And then I will come back on and let you all know what my final thoughts are. So if you are a wig wearer, drop down in the comments below and definitely let me know what your thoughts are on this unit. Are you familiar with this particular unit, the LEDINA unit? If so, let me know what your thoughts were on it. Also, what do you guys think about Outre or Outre as a wig manufacturer? I actually love Outre wigs. Now, I was also surprised that this wig didn't have the elastic band, because I noticed lately that every Outre wig that I've picked up here recently has had the elastic band sewn in already. This one did not, however, so that was a bit surprising. But drop down in the comments below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Again, I'm going to step off and come back and give you guys my final thoughts and see what she's given. So go ahead, stick around. If you want to see the actual installation process and me trying on this unit and give y'all my final thoughts, stick around. Grab yourself a snack and a beverage and come on back. Now, I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. And as you can see by the smile on my face, I'm very much pleased. I'm pleased for this under $40, $37.99 to be exact unit Miss LEDINA is giving. She is giving spring and summer pop of color, middle part, curly, wavy bob tees. This is perfect. And let me tell you why. Let's go through the pros and cons, guys. So the pros are, I hate for hair to be on my shoulders and neck and wrapping all around my chin and face, especially in the summertime. Where I'm at right now is already in the 90s, and it's just the early part of June. So can you imagine July and August? Plus I got family coming down towards the end of July, and so I was just trying to pick up some cute, simple, easy to throw and go type of wigs. And so this is one that I picked up and I'm very much pleased with it. This is, again, the Outre middle part HD transparent lace front wig in the style LEDINA. I have it in the color DR face framing black cherry. And as you can see, the black cherry is just in the front, basically framing the face area. It's got, I'll say maybe, what is that, about a 3.5 to a 4-inch middle part. Again, I did go into the parting space. I didn't tweeze or pluck anything. I felt like it was wide enough and open up just enough to come off as natural. I just popped in some of the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder with, my applicator brush and tinted that lace part. And then with the baby hairs, I didn't do much with them because, as you could see when I was, showing the wig, they were kind of curly. So I literally just brushed them into place and let them be. And I didn't do much styling or manipulating with the unit. I just kind of went through with a little bit of hair serum on my palms of my hands and just kind of finger styled through to basically get rid of any loose or shed hairs that may have come off when I trimmed the lace off. And then I just kind of fluffed and gone. Now, when I get ready to wear this unit for real, I will probably go through with some curling mousse and really define those curls, kind of loosen them up a bit more. But again, for purposes of this video, this is my initial final impression. And I must say that I'm very pleased with it. I think it's very cute. It's stylish. It's short. It's just the right length. It's not too fancy. I could definitely wear this to a barbecue or the park or the beach or just to go walking in, but it's also professional enough that I could wear it to work. And keep in mind, I do work in a hospital medical setting, so you got to be a little bit on the conservative side. So the color is not too blah in your face, but it is just enough color that says, hey, it's summertime. You know what I'm saying? So I could go straight from work to an event or from work to a dinner or a get together with friends. So my final thoughts are, is she a yay or a nay? She is definitely a keeper. I am definitely going to work with it and make it do what it do. Get it all styled up. Probably really slay those edges and baby hairs, and I think I might just run my pressing comb right around the parting space just to lay down the humps. But then again, my hair is in like 10 fat corn rolls up underneath, so it's a little puffy. And I also have on my wig grip cap, so that might be making it look a bit puffy too. But for the purposes of this video, get all the way into this wig, y'all. I am loving it. So that does conclude my review. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Drop down in the comments below and let me know what your thoughts are. And thank you so much for watching. Peace, y'all.